Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know for do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
Welcome back, my wisdom warriors. What a guan. Anyway, wanna know say me a few things to talk about today. But firstly, me I go start off with Andrew Wholeness, because something not right about this, my viewers and subscribers. So we have to maths out this. Anyway, the Prime Minister Andrew Wholeness announces $150 million in emergency funding for drought-affected areas. So Prime Minister Andrew Wholeness today announced that the government has allocated $150 million in emergency funding to truck water to areas in Jamaica affected by drought conditions. The money will also be used to assist in providing additional water tanks where necessary. All right then. It has come to my attention, my viewers and subscribers. Say, in the community, a lot of community, they remove the pump. Then remove the pump. Remember, we always have water. Remember, Jamaica is of wood, land, and water. Remember that. We always have running water. But what them need to do now, they need to make sure so the people them get the water. You understand? The people them will have pump already. Remember, as me say, it has come to my attention that they remove whole heap of the pump them, so them are go fix pump. So why them not fix the pump so the people then can get water? And people in different areas that are not getting water, why they not channel water to them people there? Something alright, Why they alright? Okay, say for now then. Them a bring out tank or whatever, yeah, an additional jump. Me get it. Yeah, so my question to Andrew Wholeness, when the water done, when you bring on a drum and one bag of something and the water done, is something we not go do? Is it something we not go do every time? You know enough people are going to suffer through this though. You know that. My viewers and subscribers, my wisdom warriors, you read between the lines. Why? Okay, they might give drum because whole heap of people can't get water and whatever. Yeah. But why wanna remove the pump and not fix it? Wanna go in a people community and remove the pump them because wanna say pump won't fix? I do not know. You understand? Me just go by what them tell me, the people them in the community. You understand? So why wanna not fix back the pump so them people they can get the water? Why wanna not do that? Because on a plan on a thing for do it this way, and then Jamaican people have to depend on uno. You know what me ask God for intervene in this now? Because me know say when water done and when water going at them the drum there and it done. You tell me say uno. I go always uno when I like go collect rubbish. Yeah. Uno will take all 2 weeks, 3 weeks before you collect rubbish. Uno go around all 3-4 times a week or once every 2 weeks to give people water? Really and truly. More than like to see that. More than like to see that. You know like to waste money. Before you do it the easier way. Remember, so we have water, Remember, so we have spring water, The time, remember, Jamaica pack water, And I send out of the country, my wisdom warriors. If you don't know, The Chinese people, them a pack water, send it go for them country, Jamaica water, It come like you don't know what Andrew Wholeness do. The water is packing. Water a sent to China. Chinese people, them a pack water from Jamaica and a ship it to their country. So want them to fill the country. This is what I don't understand. These are the things where Andrew Wholeness needs to come and address. These are the things. And fill with people out of water. Why? Why? You understand? Why una remove pump? Make it make sense. Me I look on the long run of this and my viewers and subscribers. Me don't know if you don't understand what me I say. But me I look on the long run of this. Because when them bring them drum now and them bring, okay, them are go bring them tank or whatever and fill up drum with water. Yeah? How long them are going to do this for? How long? And if, listen, we're living in a time where they're not supposed to do these things. We have whole heap of water all about, whole heap of spring water all about. You understand? This is the reason why, you know, remember other day me come out and me say how the private sector want to go in partnership with the water commission. You know, remember that? Private sector want piece of the water. Let me just put it like that. You understand me? I mean, I say, what is this? What is this? You understand? No water not for be private. Remember, you know, a running water. Water is free for the Jamaican people. Water is always there. My wisdom warriors. So what I'm trying to say, if you can understand, is, in at a time like this, no. Yeah? And you want to make sure that everybody, every area have water. Every area. You understand? Every area. Because the thing is, they ain't going to remove the pump them. If you never know that, they ain't going to remove the pump them from a lot of communities. So them are going to fix it. That's why the people then can't get no water. You understand? Or if you live in a country like Jamaica and not get water. Come on, man. Come on. Them a buckle up the blasted water and send to China. You not think about phone people. And then you come out and make it, like I come out and I talk about 150 million after you cast this problem on the Jamaican people. Hey, I don't even want to start, this morning, I don't even want to start this morning. I don't even want to start this morning. Me tell us them all about fame. Them all about fame and fortune, my viewers and subscribers. That's all Andrew Holness is about. But you tell me how you feel about this and what you think about it. Anyway, hear this. Former Kingston mayor denounces audit plans as distraction. You see, this a man now, this a man come to confuse the Jamaican people, because you see them now, that them always a try for my viewers and subscribers. Them always a try for distract the people. Them, you understand, when it come to PNP. You get me? That them do, because they have people, they have people on Twitter, they have people on IG, and all both will come out and bash PNP, and tell people, spread peer propaganda. Them people here, the government of Jamaica, peer people for bash PNP. You can't imagine that? You want more wicked set of people than them? This, you see him a fret because me no know how lately him just a run up and down like him a headless chicken. How lately him a run up and down? So because he's stressed out, the whole of them stress out. Them stress out my viewers and subscribers. But me I go read this out of the article. I hear what I say. Former Kingston Mayor Delroy Williams has labelled plans by the new chairman of the Finance Committee of the Kingston and St. Andrew Municipal Corporation, KSAMC, Dennis Gordon, to request an audit into the operations of the municipality under his stewardship as a distraction. What he might try to do now, what this former mayor try to do now, my viewers and subscribers, he might try now to convince the people them, to tell the people themselves, it's not a distraction. Anything PNP say them a do, I think them always do. They always stick by what them a say. They don't stay like Andrew Holness, or him say I go fire Everald Warmington. And look, I'll know Everald Warmington stand away one name, still in a parliament cock up. You understand me? So nobody can take Uno serious. Uno is all about wealth. That's all Uno care about wealth. But as a PNP, they're doing the right thing. You understand? They're doing the right thing. The mayor, the new mayor, Mr. Swaby, attack Mr. Swaby. My viewers and subscribers. You understand me? Because the man realized over 88 million money spent for extra salaries. What them don't know about? You understand? So them this a money now. So when them talk about the audit, it a go be done. Why not be done? So how you want to say a distraction? It don't make no sense to me. It don't make no sense. You understand? Una try to distract Jamaican people. Send out G2K 2000 for come and attack Mr. Swaby. Remember saying, Remember say garbage, be dirty rubbish, garbage, no light, all heap of things, dirty running water. They are Kingston, you know. And you're mayor for a Wapikil fill up and you know do nothing for help the Kingston people, them, you know. So what you talk about, brother? Other than when I see people and them beg your money, you give them. That's all you do. You're there with the whole of the girl, them allegedly. Allegedly. You're there with too much girl. Video all come out. Baby mother. This a woman here. Me play it over here before. It was very disturbing, my viewers and subscribers, for a mayor. So me glad he's not a mayor. Me glad he's not a mayor. You understand? Because for him history. No credible at all, my viewers and subscribers. For him history. No credible at all. If you hear the woman them did a behave and them a counselor, I talk about them man and this and that. If you ever hear upon the voice note, me know so many of you guys listen to the voice note, but no found never hear it. But me I go find it back. Me I go back down in my file and find it for you and play it over here. Because me no know how him just a come up these days. Him just a come up, and when he come up, you know, he not come up. When the only time I see the man there rise up to the surface was when the Alice Outer Crab Circle situation. You never see him rise up yet. And now we see him run out. Now we see him run out. Just because they know so they not do good. Don't a KSMC or whatever they want to call it. He know see enough things them do wrong. And if Auditor General touch upon that, and not normal. This is why I want to say Juliet Owens, you know. This is where I say Juliet Owens bring the PNP to Supreme Court. Well, she already bring them to Supreme Court. So they're waiting. So we are see what go down. You understand? Because a fight, you want to fight to get it back. So nobody no know what go on up there. So. But no worry. We are going to find out everything. Because Auditor General, we are waiting on you, madam. We are waiting on you to come audit this one here. Because everybody needs to know about this. Everybody needs to know whether the 88 million overspent on salary is gone. And look, Jamaican people need money. Remember, say taxpayers' money when I use, you know, where Jamaican people work, you know. Jamaican people work and earn that money, you know, and when I use it to do the other things. When Jamaican people need money, come on now. Come on. My wisdom warriors, wanna tell me what you think. Put an honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome on a big up on a nice clean self. I'm out.